A squadron of new Ajax armored fighting vehicles for the British Army is scheduled to be ready this summer, allowing it to begin team-level training. So far, the British Army has taken delivery of Ares, the troop-carrying variant of General Dynamics Ajax family of vehicles. Citing from Army Technology, currently 12 Ajax vehicles have gone through the General Acceptance Testing (GAT) process. Several of the vehicles have already completed live firing trials, and final acceptance testing for some is being completed ahead of initial deliveries to the British Army. Ajax, and the vehicle's other variants, are set to replace the in-service Combat Vehicle Reconnaissance Tract or CVRT. The Ajax variant features the CTA International 40mm cannon that is also featured on the turret of the ongoing Warrior Capability Sustainment Program (WCSP). The British Army has ordered a total of 589 vehicles across 6 variants. 245 will be of the turreted Ajax variant. The first Ajax family vehicles were delivered in February 2019, and deliveries are expected to continue through 2025. As of October last year, GDLS UK said Ajax had fired 4,240mm rounds from the CT-40 cannon in trials, and that 157 vehicle hulls and 45 turrets had been built. The company added that 60 of the planned 589 vehicles were completed, with 17 accepted by the MOD and 12 vehicles being put into service. The other variants of the Ajax family of vehicles are the Atlas and Apollo, designed for equipment support missions, the Argus engineering reconnaissance platform, and the Athena, a command and control C2 vehicle.